Nanda. My name is Jay Kumar, and today my presentation on Ashirwad Company, 6 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test, and implement. Introduction to Ashirwad. Ashirwad is a leading brand in the Indian food industry, primarily known as your products. Design thinking is a literate process focused on understanding user needs and solving problems. Empathize is based in Ashirwad. Ashirwad conducts an extensive consumer research to understand the consumer problems. Company engages with local communities to know the traditional cooking practices. December helps Ashirwad align its products with the cultural and culinary nuances of Indian households. Define stage in Ashirwad. In this stage, Ashirwad synthesizes research findings to identify the core problems in customer solutions. The company defines the challenges such as the need for convenience without compromising the quality. The clear problem statement guides the development of innovative solutions delivered to consumer sales. This company has to make the consumer for the good quality and health good products. Ideas based in Ashirwad. Ashirwad encourages brainstorming sessions with cross-functional teams to generate creative ideas. This company can generate the creative ideas. The company explores a wide range of product variations, including instant mixes and health-focused options. This company is mainly focused on the consumer's health. The collaborative environment fosters innovation and leads to unique product offerings for consumers. Prototype stage in Ashirwad. Ashirwad develops prototypes of new products to test their visibility and appeal. This company can also produce the prototypes and check their consumers. These prototypes are often based on traditional recipes combined with modern production techniques. Feedback from both internal teams and consumers is gathered to define these prototypes further. Feedback from the consumers has mainly affected on the Ashirwad company, so that's why they came on with new ideas. Test stage in Ashirwad. Ashirwad conducts rigorous testing to evaluate the performance and acceptance of its new project. Consumer feedback is crucial in this stage to ensure the product meets expectations and preferences. In the test stage, they give some samples to the consumers and test their quality and quantity. Success stories in innovation. Ashirwad has successfully launched products like Ashirwad Select and Ashirwad Instant Mixes. These innovations address the growing demand for convenience and quality in Indian kitchens. The company's commitment to design thinking has led to extended market presence and consumer loyalty. This company can be produced some new items like Ashirwad Select and Ashirwad Instant Mixes. Challenges and adaptations. Ashirwad faces challenges like changing consumer preferences and competition in food sector. The company adapts its design thinking approach to stay relevant and meet evolving market demands. Continuous learning and flexibility are key to overcoming obstacles in product development. The Ashirwad company faces some problems and they overcome the problems and they made some new products to sell their